This is Dr. LG Adeline Tan. Today, in this video, I would like to share with you the information related to Feng Shui. In this new year of the Matter Ox, which is known as the 2021, I would like to share with you in the Chinese metaphysics, how can we maximize the Feng Shui information in the house in order we can maximize all the good sectors in the house in order to help us to achieve our goal and also to help us to benefit anything that we wanted to have a smooth sailing and a successful year. At the same time, this video will also share with you which are the inauspicious sector that we should avoid in order to have the minimal of the day-to-day activities. And when I say minimize the day-to-day activities, mean that if let's say that is a living hall or that could be a dining hall in your house, maybe after all this day-to-day activity, but try not to maximize the energy movement in that particular sector. So now I would like to share with you which are the sectors which are good for you and which are the sectors not good for you. Of course, in life, we would like to work hard for money. So to work hard for money, we would like to meet a lot of great opportunities in order to generate the wealth and also money for us. And the sector for this year, 2021, that you can maximize in your house is in the sector of the Northeast. Why? Northeast sector this year landed with the flying star of 9, and this will help you to generate all the good opportunities in order you can make more money through investment especially. And there is another sector which is actually good to increase your cash flow, which is in the sector of West. Why? Because West this year there is a flying star of 8, and this flying star will help you to be able to generate more cash flow. So that's why, if possible, try to maximize it and to have a lot of day-to-day activities in that particular sector. And there is another good sector that you can maximize it, which is in the sector of nobleman, which is in the South sector, because the star number 1 will be in this sector, and this sector will help you to generate a lot of good nobleman help, or layman term we call the helpful people, or we also know this as a networking sector. So, having said all this, of course in life we always would like to continuously and consistently to upgrade our knowledge. So the sector that you can actually maximize to generate a good result of academic, so which is in the sector of East. Because East sector in this year there is a star number 4, and this flying star especially you can maximize it for your children in order they will suddenly love to study and they can actually achieve a good academic result. Having said all this, so of course we would like to minimize or to avoid some sectors in the house which may not good for us. One of the sector which is actually in the sector of Southeast sector. Why? Because this sector this year there is a flying star of number 5, and we know it as a 5 yellow star, where actually it will bring us a lot of mishap and also calamity to us in our life. So if possible, try to minimize your activities in that sector. And there is another sector which is the North sector, which is known as the illness star. Especially if you do have any senior people who are already suffering from a long-term illness, So try to avoid them, not to let them to sleep in this sector. So somehow it will help to further trigger their illness. So try to move them out from the north sector. And there is another sector which is actually the sector of the southwest and also the sector of the northwest sector. These two sectors itself, right, where actually it will be landed with the flying star of number 3 and 7. And these two sectors where actually will bring a lot of mishap, at the same time argumentative star. So try not to use these sectors where I have mentioned above, at the same time to maximize all the good sectors in order to help you to achieve your good year and excellent year in the year of 2021. If you think that you have the difficulty to figure all this information out, so don't be hesitant to call us and we will help you to figure this out and give you all the good dates in order to maximize all the good energy from your house to achieve your possible outcome and also the results to benefit you. So do call us. We will help you and assist you in terms of your house feng shui and also the date selection.